Here's everything you need to know about the 2025 Bentley Flying Spur Speed in just 5 minutes. Now, not only can you switch this car to EV mode to make it a silent assassin, you can hear a mouse turd drop up in this joint because it's so quiet in here. The inside of the cabin is top tier. You can't hear nothing going on outside. Now, the starting price for your entry-level Bentley Flying Spur Speed in 2025 is gonna run you about $272,000. But if you want all the bells and whistles like the one we got, not the bone gristle one, it's gonna be about $367,000. Now, you know my headroom and legroom is good. The back of my head is 6'10" because I'm getting chauffeured in the back of this thing. You even got your very own infotainment screen that detaches, and you can have it in the palm of your hand from the back seat, which pretty much controls the entire car from here, and even controls things such as your climate controls, both back seats and the front passenger seat as well. The blinds, which can be opened or closed individually or collectively all at the same time. Your car details, so that way you can see your current speed along with the time. So if your driver is driving a little too fast because y'all gonna get there early anyway, why are you driving so fast? You can just slap the toupee off top of his head. But you can also control your front hood ornament with the Bentley Flying Spur either being revealed or concealed whenever you want, in case you want to be a little bit more inconspicuous with your feet up like this. Now we got legendary rim and tire combo with the Pirelli P0s wrapped around these 22-inch rims on all four corners with 275s in the front and 315s in the rear. But we even got a Bentley floating cap on these things as you drive it to make you look real prestigious. Now under this vitamin C hood, we got a 4-liter twin turbocharged V8 producing 771 horsepower and 738 pound-feet of torque, paired beautifully with an 8-speed automatic transmission, giving you 17 miles per gallon in the city and 22 on the highway. But you also get 40 miles of pure electric range. We got this massive front grille that's all black, just like the Bentley Flying Spur, that illuminates at nighttime. And speaking of illumination, we got LED headlights and taillights to match. Now y'all know I love this top of the move paint job, but if you want to make your paint job look just as good as this one, make sure you get your Barrett's Automotive Spectacular Ceramic Wax by yours truly by clicking that link below in the description. We got an orange rear diffuser along with a dual exhaust that sounds good on the startup or while you just casually whipping that thing down the road. At my height of 6'10", it's hard to find abundant legroom and headroom to match, and I got both in this. Hit that big old B anytime you want to open your trunk. Just press a button to both open and close your trunk without ever leaving the vehicle. Now the trunk space actually has a decent amount of space, and it even has the charging cable strapped down to the ground to keep them extra secure. We got a 12-volt charger and your very own Bentley tire compressor repair kit. These seats already look good, but if you want to make them look better, make sure you get your Barrett's Automotive Pristine Leather Conditioner. But these seats are also massaging seats with 5 different types of massages and 5 different levels of intensity. They're heated and cooled, and you even got pillows in the back seat. Now, encased around your engine start stop button is your drive mode selector, and you can switch that joint every time you want to go from sport, Bentley, comfort, and custom. We got the big old B on the Bentley gear shifter wrapped in Alcantara. Now in the center console, you do got your driver assist along with your E mode because this is a hybrid, along with your parking camera angles because you got a bunch of views from the front and back tire, and you even got 360-degree of angles. You got 2 cup holders behind a retractable door on your center console. Now in front of your gear shifter, you got a little cubby space that you can use for storage or your wireless phone charger, along with 2 USB-C chargers and a 12-volt charger. We got a leather wrap armrest that's comfortable, but it doesn't open and it doesn't have any storage space or chargers. It just slides forward and backwards. Not only do we got a crispy heads-up display that showcases your live miles an hour along with the suggested speed limit, but we also got digital gauge cluster that's just as crispy, and you can even see your very own Bentley right in the middle of that thing. You can also change the digital layout to 4 different layouts, and they all look good, so you can't go wrong with either one. Not only does your infotainment screen look good, but it can flip like go-go gadget from 3 different layouts, whether you want it closed or you want to have your analog clocks and different things like that showing, or you can have your infotainment screen. But your infotainment screen also offers a lot with things such as Apple CarPlay, climate controls, wellness with smart seat climate and postural adjustment, weather, ambient lighting with a bunch of colors to choose from, and you can even check your oil from that thing, man. So let's get some understanding. Now, in case you ever want to make sure you're looking sharp in the back seat, you got your very own retractable mirrors with a bright white LED light to match. And you even got adjustable seat reclining options like you do in the front seat. And they're also massaging seats with 5 different types of massages and 5 different levels of intensity. You got center console storage cubby space, 2 of them to be exact, along with 2 climate vents, and you even got 2 more climate vents on the side. And get this, you even got your very own leather wrapped armrest with storage space on the inside of that thing, and behind the retractable door, 2 cup holders. We got 0 to 60 in 3.3 seconds with a top speed of 177 miles an hour. That thing sounds good too, don't it? Now that's everything I think you need to know about the 2025 Bentley Flying Spur Speed in just 5 minutes.